Hi everyone. So my invitation to you and announcement. So finally I come to my complete last chapter of my video book, chapter 11, and the name of the book, name of the chapter is Eden. It's about the unity, and I'm so excited. The broadcasting will be tomorrow, Dubai time, 11 a.m. I'm invite you all to watch, to have some energy of happiness, energy of joy, actually this chapter, and then it's all about the unity, mind and heart, man and woman, black and white. It's all about coming back together to one. I'm so excited about that, because in this chapter I really feel that I share my wisdom with you, because that was my journey, my way to understand who I am, how to achieve anything that anyone want to, due to be in the center, be in the true self, be in the unity, be in the forgiveness, be in the one. This is our way. This is our way to success, to wealth, to be unshakable, to be happy, to be wealthy, to get anything that we want to. So I'm really excited to share that chapter with you. Tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Please get your 1 hour free time. Just sit, enjoy, watch me, get your battery full of energy, of happiness and joy, and get some clarity and put some goals, what you want to achieve. So it's all happening tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last chapter of my video book, and then we go for printing, and then I'm gonna see you all on my live event in Dubai, where that book gonna be present to you as my guest, So I'm really excited. I feel that I did something really meaningful, important, and big and useful. So very happy to see you tomorrow and share with you. Yeah, I'm just back from gym, by the way. Just back from gym, book my stylist, book my space where I'm gonna do tomorrow video shoot. Invite you all. So we set up. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Wish you blessing, prosperity, abundance, happiness, joy, enjoy, wealth, big smiles, good health. Love you. In Rivatar.